Fourth English, animals that lived long ago. Imagine you've gone back into time, millions of years ago. Look around you. Different animals are walking all around you. Some of these animals are dinosaurs. Today, dinosaurs are no longer alive, but we have some information about these creatures. Dinosaurs looked very different from one another. Some were taller than giraffes. Some were as small as hens. Some dinosaurs were brightly colored. Some even had spots or stripes like snakes. Some dinosaurs ate only plants. Most of these dinosaurs were very tall. They could eat leaves from the tops of trees. They had short, flat teeth. Some dinosaurs ate meat. That means they ate other animals. They hunted animals which were slow or weak. These dinosaurs had sharp and pointed teeth. Some had teeth that were longer than your hand. Would you have liked to meet a dinosaur?